Hi, this is Victor with spicegnome.com and welcome to another episode of Spice and Advice. Today we're gonna make chili, but not just any chili. We're gonna make Rita's chili. We have this friend Rita from Missouri and she makes this awesome chili. So I just adjusted her recipe and we're gonna make it. It's so easy to make. I mean, it's just one pot, you throw everything in and you let it cook. That's it, very simple. Let's look at our ingredients. We have 1.5 pounds of ground beef. We have 1 pound of ground pork. We have a bag of 15 ounces of sweet corn, 2 cans of stewed tomatoes, 2 cans of red kidney beans, 1 can of tomato sauce. We have 2 cups of chopped onions, 1 cup of chopped peppers. You can use poblano peppers. I use green peppers, but you can also use poblano peppers. 3 tablespoons of garlic. I know I love garlic. What can I say? We have coriander, cumin, red pepper flakes, oregano, chili powder, salt and pepper, and olive oil. Some olive oil. And then what we're going to do is we're going to break the meat as we throw it in. Now we're going to break it apart. I always like to put some salt and pepper. So now that we have the meat is brown, we're going to add the onions, the pepper, and the garlic. The garlic, the onions, and the peppers are cooked. The meat is brown, so now we're gonna put everything else in. And when I tell you we're just gonna dump everything in, that's it. We just open all the cans, put all the mixes, mix it up, and let it simmer. That's it. No more cooking to do. Let's do that. Okay, we just start dumping everything in. We dump everything in, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover it and we're gonna let it simmer for 30 to 35 minutes. And what you're gonna do is like every 10, 15 minutes, you just go and stir it just to make sure that everything is cooking at the same temperature, everything is cooking at the same time. That's it. Oh, chili is ready, so let's give it a try. You can put some, if you want to top it with some cheese, some cheddar cheese. This is sharp cheddar, which is really, really good. You can use some smoked cheddar, or you can use onions, crackers. Ritz crackers are delicious on it. Let's put some cheese. And let's give that puppy a try. Oh my God, that is so good. So good. It's a little spicy. I only use 1 teaspoon of the red pepper flakes, but if you want it really spicier, you can add more red pepper flakes. Also, check your salt. Make sure that you're using, the amount of salt to your taste that is good for you. I use 1 teaspoon of salt, but if you prefer to have it a little bit more salty, go ahead and add some more. And that's our video. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel because we're all the time putting new videos, and ring on the bell so you can get notifications every time we put a new video. And please send me messages and questions in Facebook. I love to tell people what to do. Thank you for watching and enjoy your chili.
Okay, I want you to do all of that and that's our episode, because you stumbled, and that's way too many directions. They're gonna just go next. They're not gonna listen to all of that.
To all of one.